Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is collection day. I am currently not on my way to a Tesla dealership. I'm actually on my way to the airport, which is about 5 minutes down the road. Given the situation we find ourselves in, it's basically a contact-free delivery. The only thing is, because it is an airport, there can be a bit iffy about recording, so I'll see what I can do there. But to be fair, I don't think it's going to be anything too dramatic. I don't even think the car's going to have a cover on it, but hey ho, it is what it is. I'm currently on my way there in my C43 AMG. This isn't being sold. I will still be keeping this, so I'll basically be using both cars for the foreseeable future. Very sunny today. It's a good day for a collection, that's for sure. Anyway guys, I'm in the festive spirit. What do you think of my jumper? Actually, it's a bit more showy than this. Should have put this on from the start. There we go. Right, so all the paperwork has been done. So all that it's literally just a handover. Something's really annoying me. There's something rattling. Ugh. I have no idea what it is. Anyway, that is not going to get my mood down. Right, I'll see you on the other side, guys.
I got summer on my mind, nowhere else, no Lord, take me downtown to you. People show me love, but I can't take it. What I said was true, real pain can't fake it. Still they wanna be with me, still they wanna leave with me, still they wanna feel like me, still I can't believe it's me. Time you spend with me, I spend mine on being free. On a flight to NYC, I see you and you see me. I wonder why you need to lie when you see me cry, when you see me shy, when you see me high, when you see me die. Where we from, you don't know. You will know where we will go. Yeah, I'm here, where are you? There's nothing we can do.
Right, so welcome to the innards of my new 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range. To be fair, I'm pretty familiar with the Tesla network and ecosystem. My dad owns a Model S and I have used that on occasion. So things like regen braking, the fact that there's no gears, everything's eerily quiet, is something that I'm used to. I mean, it is fast, that's for sure. The Model S that my dad owns is a few years old now. This feels a lot more refined. There's a lot less noise in here, which with an electric car you have to expect, because there's no engine noise. You hear a lot more wind noise, tyre noise, and I expected to hear a bit more in this Model 3. And one of the updates with this particular car is that I've got double glazed windows now, which helps with the insulation and some of the soundproofing. It is a quirky little car. You've got basically this massive iPad Pro slapped on here, and that's the only thing. There's no dials in front of you, which is a bit weird. At least, you know, for the speedo. The speedo's right in the corner, top right corner there, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I mean, that'll take some getting used to. Especially, I'll be switching between my C43 and this car quite a lot. I don't know why, Elon, why didn't you just put a head-up display? That could have solved so many issues. In terms of, you know, spec and all that sort of stuff, because this is YouTube, I'm going to milk that out, and you know, I'll go through all that stuff in a separate video. But first impressions, I quite like it. I mean, I wasn't fully sold on the looks of the Model 3, but with the refresh, you know, with the satin black D-chromes and various other bits and pieces, it actually looks like a cool little car. All of this stuff, you know, I need to figure it out. I've not watched, I haven't done too much research beforehand in terms of how things work. I want to kind of experience it firsthand and, you know, see if it's easy to figure out. We have got a full glass panoramic sunroof here, but it's actually, the glass is very, very dark, so you actually hardly notice it, to be fair. The switchgear, it is all nicked from Mercedes. However, it now looks a lot more polished, a bit more pristine. Like even, you know, the feeling of the stalks, the design of the stalks, much better than in the more expensive Model S that my dad has. It's an electric car, so you've got a lot of heavy batteries, but they're all slapped on as low as possible in the center of the car. So, you know, for a relatively heavy car for its size, it handles very, very well. But again, like, these are just first impressions, so I can definitely be going into that in more depth a little later on. But there you have it, guys. My 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range. For those of you celebrating, Merry Christmas, do stay safe, and I shall definitely be seeing you again, most likely in this car, before the new year. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.